We're talking today about a situation involving an accident with some medicine at the hospital. Joining us here on this tax day, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Sarambole. Guys, I'm sure you're all filed up and ready to go for today's Law and You.
Worst day of the whole year.
Ed loves
Tax day. Worst day of the whole year.
I'm sure Ed loves handing over his money to the government. All right, here's our question today, and this one involves a situation involving some wrong medicine given at a medical facility. Nancy in Mashopin wants to know, my son was in the hospital recently. He is allergic to certain medications. The nurses gave him medications that he was allergic to, and he had a seizure. We are furious. What should we do?
Well, Nancy, I mean, the first thing that you should do is you should get a complete copy of all of the medical records from your son's stay at the hospital. And the reason being is, those records are going to need to be analyzed by an attorney to see if you have a valid medical negligence case. Anytime somebody's given the wrong medication, negligence may be the easiest thing to prove in that situation. However, the damage, you got to see what the extent of the damages are. If your son had a seizure and is doing fine now, then, it might be a situation where you may not want to pursue a case, but, it really depends on the extent of the damages in this situation.
You may not want to, or you may not be able to either,
Sure.
because the damages just aren't there. And that means that for us to move forward on a medical negligence case, you have to have sustainable numbers to put up for a jury to give you an award on it. One day of a seizure is just not enough.
No.
No.
All right, for viewers that may not be sure if they have a legal case involving medical negligence and they want to talk to you, how can they do that?
Call us at 570-714-HURT or see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
If they want to talk.
Greg's listening. You just can't respond.
Yeah, if you call and Greg doesn't respond immediately, it's not because he doesn't want to, it's because he sounds like this.
All right, we can find you on Facebook?
You can. Facebook, Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, Snapchat, we do it all.
All over the place. All right, Results Matter attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Sarambole. Guys, thanks. We'll see you next time.
You got it.
Don't forget PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline are ways to get a question here on the show.